guys, I want to show you today how to roll your demi-ed. Ignore that. Takes a lot to get on here and do this. Okay, so if you look in the catalogs and stuff, the models always have it all pulled down. This is not how you wear a demi-ed, and this is why. You see how it rolled? Any of us that has any of this, it's gonna roll. Unless you're a size 2, I don't know what to say. Once you get your demi on, you get your girls where they belong, just take this and roll this up. And I usually have to do it all the way around. Some people, this will stay straight, but it does not for me. I roll that all the way around, tuck them up underneath your girls there, and then it doesn't roll anymore. That's all there is to it. This is not gonna go anywhere. It does not move at all. Sorry, my dog just moved. I'm all tucked in. This isn't going anywhere. That is a demi-ed, a true bra replacement. No underwires, great support, and we are the only ones that have this material. So you can't get this anywhere else. This little section right here is going to separate your girls. You do not have a uniboob, and how great is that? Have a good day.